What do you mean? My volume is too low. Telling your volume size in Audacity. Hi, this is a little video to explain what you should be looking for in the Audacity waveform, and as a bonus, how to increase your microphone volume level with Audacity. Now, what you see on your screen is a software recording program called Audacity. If you've already used it to send a test recording into LibreVox, then you are familiar with it. The audio track you're looking at here has been broken up into 4 clips and is simply some words that I spoke. On the left-hand side here, or the farthest one, is called a silence. There is nothing there. This next one is a sample of an audio track that is too soft or too low. This is a good volume clip. This is what we're looking for. And this is one where it's too loud. You can see that the volume, which is indicated by the height of the waves, both up here and down here, this one goes all the way and past the top so that it's clipped. This is the size that we may be looking for. This is not good. This is not good. And of course, this is silence. Now, how do you tell the size of your wave? Well, by looking at them, of course. You can see that this is a nice size wave. Whereas this one is much too small. The amplitude just doesn't go anywhere at all. Now, one way of doing it is listening to your recording. That'll tell you whether or not it's loud, or at least sufficiently volume. You can look at the wave, and you can compare it to this side over here, where we have amplitude numbers. The middle is 0, and the waves go up to a positive 1.0 and down to a negative 1.0, and they go up and down that way. So how do you tell if it's loud enough? 1, look at your wave. 2, listen to your recording, and then compare your wave over here. Now, alright, now how do you increase your volume? Okay, there are 2 slider bars up here. One controls the output to your speakers. This one is for your microphone. Your microphone is currently set at 0.6, or rather my microphone. As I move it up, you may notice that my voice gets louder. That is increasing the strength of the signal going into Audacity. I'm going to move it back down here so it doesn't hurt anybody's eardrums. But for you, move it all the way to the top. If you have a low volume, kick it to the top. Now, if that is ineffective, if you go back and make another recording and it's ineffective, it doesn't increase very much, the next step would be to possibly try moving a little closer to your microphone. An inch or 2 can make wonders in the amount of strength of your signal. And of course, after that, it would be to amplify your signal using Audacity itself. This is explained very simply in our wiki, and it's also in another video called, amazingly enough, Amplifying in Audacity. Thank you for watching, and happy recording and happy volume levels.